Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today I'm back to show you my completed blanket that I had shared with you the other day that I was going to be making. And I was going to be using this Acacia Ripple Afghan crochet pattern, but I made a change. I did not use this pattern. Even though it looks very similar to the pattern, you can see it looks very similar. I did make some changes. First of all, I used another YouTube video to make this pattern, and it's a pattern by Bag O' Day Crochet, and hers was the Easy Chevron Blanket, and it uses like a granny stitch chevron. And I did use my Premier Basix yarn, and after I completed this blanket, I still had about 3 to 3.5 ounces of each one of the 4 skeins that I used. And those colors that I used in the Premier Basix were Aran, Pumpkin, Pecan, and Hazel, if you would like to order some if you wanted to make up the same blanket. But I did watch her video, but I used a smaller yarn and a smaller hook. I used a size I hook, a US size I, and that is a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. And my blanket is also smaller than hers. My blanket is more like a baby size blanket. It's 28 by 37 inches in size. And when I made mine, one thing about this pattern is they alternated how many rows of each stitch that you would, of each color you would use. But since I didn't have as much yarn as they had in that pattern, I decided I made 4 rows of each color. Now in Bag O' Day's video, she did not change colors. Her yarn was self-changing, but I changed color every 4 rows. And I started with the Aran color, and then I went to the pumpkin and the pecan, and then I moved to the hazel color. But anyway, I just wanted to share this blanket with you. It's very easy to make. I think it started out, I think it's 111 stitches that she started with, and she gives you the stitch count if you wanted to make a bigger one. But it's a really easy pattern. I loved working with this yarn. It's really soft. But anyway, I just wanted to share this blanket with you. I hope you like my video. If you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up. And if you like my channel and would like to know when I upload new content, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.